Yeah, guys. Guess what? The it works. The I remember turning it on. And you see this right here? I go to see if there's actually current going through it because it was a speaker wire. Yeah, it was a lot of current. It was a lot of current. Uh, yeah, a whole 100 and some 10 volts worth. The whole thing works. It makes a kind of a weird crackly noise. I'm assuming that is just a loose component. This here gets a little bit hot, so it's shorting in some spots, but it's not like horrible. The cord has never gotten hot, so that's awesome. The all the tubes light up. This one's kind of a little fussy in there, right down there. So here, let me give it the juice. There you go. Is that pretty? Yeah, know this light right here. Can you guys see the little glow in there? So there's a little noise I've been talking about. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's another one in there. Look at that. There's some beauties in there. There's another one in there. There's this one going on here. See? Isn't that pretty? Look in there. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Here's another one. Look at that, huh? Isn't that beautiful? It's more red in here. For you guys, it's different. Isn't that beautiful? There you go. There's probably a lot of flies are in here. It's like something died in here or something. So yeah, Kepler's radio service, of Calgary and Lethbridge. I am very tempted to call them, but here's the problem. Those numbers you see there, those are the numbers you would plug in to a receptionist who would take your call and put the necessary plug-in connection so you can connect to your person. It's Something Products Limited, Sarnia, Canada. A lot of these tubes check okay. The one speaker I was using down here wasn't cremated or anything, but it sure was getting some serious juice going through it, so yeah. I'm assuming that there's something loose inside there. That's what I'm assuming. So yeah. What's nice is the light. There's one light that still works in it. It's just there's supposed to be another one right here. It goes somewhere for this other side right here. I'm not exactly sure where that's meant to be. There's a third one that's up here. It's completely burnt out. Right here. Sorry, pointing the wrong direction. There's one completely burnt out, but I'd like to get all three of these going. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be factory, but I don't think that's supposed to. You can see there's the glow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty glow. Yeah, it needs knobs. It needs knobs. See, that's pretty. Just wait until I get all three of them going, and that little light there would be on, and that side would be on. I just got to buy some lights or trying to find some. In the meantime, I'm going to let this sit in the garage. It's pretty late. I'm going to eventually I'm going to get this up to my room once I'm done with it. Like I can get all the necessary bits and pieces put together, see what the hell's making that buzz and whatnot. This will mean I'll have the chassis out and the tubes out, all the tubes. I'll put the tubes in something safe. One thing that's kind of something that's a little unnerving is this one here is a lot glowier, and it seems to do that when that one right there is going. See this tube right here? I'm really concerned, but it's meant to be in there. That's the rectifier. What's nice is these tubes were checked out in the 80s, and they were deemed good. And some of these are actually the originals. No, actually, hold on. And the Rogers. But yeah, this one here is fine. This one here is fine, but this one gets hot. This one right here is hot. And that's obvious because that's the original. That's probably where the buzzing's coming from, but I couldn't say for sure. But at least I didn't blow the shit out of the transformer. Knock on wood. I'm sorry about the lawnmower. Anyways, there, guys. I gotta go inside. It's late.